Hi, and welcome to Fire Suppression Solutions. Today, we want to show you how easy it is to refill a 6-liter fire extinguisher with our TRF Plus fluid. To begin with, we need to take off the hose. Get this out of our way. Once that's out of the way, we set it back. Now we want to get rid of any pressurized air that's remaining inside the extinguisher. To do that, it's very simple. Turn it upside down, squeeze the handle, and because the stem is all the way at the top, there's only air here, it will let all of the air out of the extinguisher. Once the air is out of the extinguisher, turn it back around. Now we're free to remove the handle. It's simply unscrew it and pull it out of the extinguisher. We will be placing this back in there. And with our TRF replacement kit, you'll come with spare O-rings for both the stem as well as the hose that goes to the stem. Now that we have the pressure out, we still may have some residual fluid, TRF fluid, and we don't want to waste it. So the simplest thing to do is to pour it back into the TRF Plus container. Once it's emptied, now we can start measuring and put the exact amount of 6 liters back into the extinguisher. Today we're using a 4-liter measuring cup, so we will fill this up to 3 liters twice, pour it into here. We'll have a total of 6 liters in our fire extinguisher. Now we need to put things back together and repressurize the fire extinguisher. So we drop our stem back down in there, go ahead and screw it back on. Remember, we replaced that O-ring on here because we want it to seal and stay sealed for a long time. Once we have this back on, now we need to use the Schrader valve, which is also provided in your refill kit. The Schrader valve screws in the same place where the hose went. So once that's on there and secured, you can take off the airline cap. This is just like a tire, easy to do. So you're going to take your airline and you're going to pressurize this tank. If you'll notice, on this side of the tank here, we have a red and green indicator. We want to fill it up to green. So once we go to pressurize the tank, we have to squeeze the handle so that the air will come through the valve and into the tank. Pressurize the tank up to 102 pounds. You'll see the indicator is on green and you're done. Now you can release the handle and remove the airline. Now, let's remove the Schrader valve. Replace the hose. Once again, let's not forget, we want to replace that O-ring. It comes with your kit. Once the hose is replaced, your fire extinguisher is now ready to use again.